Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to share with you how can you publish your app on Amazon App Store. Here you can see I have made this game. I am going to publish this game on Amazon App Store. If you want to learn how to make this kind of game, then watch my previous video. You can get that video link in this video description box below. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can open Chrome browser and search here Amazon Developer Console. Now you can click here to open this first URL. Guys, first of all I will have to create account. You can click on create your Amazon Developer account. Now you can type here your name, email address and password. Now you can click on create your Amazon Developer account button. Now solve this puzzle to protect your account. Now you can click on submit button. Now you can check your email. Now you can click here to open this email. You can copy this OTP. Now you can go on Amazon Developer website and you can paste here your OTP. Now you can click on verify button. Now in next step you will have to fill out your information. Like you can type here your first name, last name, your country, and you can type here your name. And you will have to type here your mobile number. Scroll down. Now you can type your contact details. You can click here to accept its terms and conditions. And at last you can click on submit button. I'm going to type here all of this information. Now you can select products that you are interested in. You can select mobile apps and games option. Scroll down, click on start exploring the console button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on apps and services button. Now you can click on my apps button. Click on add new app button. Now select here Android device. Now I'm going to fill out all this information. Guys, I have made my game on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 website. After watching this video, you can watch my previous video to learn how to make this game. You can get that video link in this video description box below. You can click on this download icon. You can click here to download game in APK format. And you can click here to download media package. Like you can download screenshots of your game icon, featured graphics of your game. And you can click here to generate game description. I have already downloaded all of this package. I'm going to type here app title. Now this is optional, you can leave it blank. Select here app category. You can select games. Now select here subcategory. You can select brain and puzzle. Now you can select any of this option. Scroll down, click on save button. Click on this button. Now I'm going to upload here my game in APK format. You can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 website and you can click here to download your game in APK format. I'm going to upload here my game in APK format. You can click here. Now you can select your game. You can click on open button. Yeah, here we go. Guys, as you can see here, I have uploaded my game successfully. You can click on manifest button. Guys, here is showing package name of my game. You can copy this package name. Now you can go on admob. Click on apps button. Now select your game. Guys, here you can see my earnings. Scroll down. Here you can see ads activity performance. Google has displayed 32 times ads on my app. Guys, I have not published this app on any app store, but Google Ads is running on my game. You can click on settings button. Now you can click on add button. You can select Amazon App Store option. Now you can click on continue button. Now you can copy your game package name. You can go on admob. And you can paste here your game package name. Now you can click on save button. You can click on done button. Guys, here you can see approval status. My app is getting ready to show admob ads on my game. Now you can go on Amazon Developer website, click here, scroll down. You can select your language support. Now you can click on next button. Now you will have to select your audience. I have made my game on educational topic. I'm going to select this option. Now I will have to rate my content. Click on this button. Now you can select here none option. Select none option. Select none option. Guys, this application is for educational purposes. You can select yes option. Now you can select here no option. Guys, I have added admob ads on my game. I'm going to select yes option. Now you can select here no option. Select here no option. Select here no option. Now click here. Here you can see content rating is complete. Now you can select here no option. Guys, I'm going to paste here privacy policy URL. This is optional, you can leave it blank. You can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 website and you can copy this privacy policy URL. Now you can go on Amazon developer website and paste here privacy policy URL. Now you can click on next button. You can select your pricing of your game. I'm going to select free option. Now I'm going to type your short description. Guys, here is showing short description of my game. I'm going to copy this short description. Now paste here. I'm going to paste here long description. Guys, you can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 website and you can click here to generate game descriptions. Here you can see I have already generated game descriptions. Copy this game description. Now paste here. Now I'm going to paste here product feature. Copy this feature. Now paste here. Now I'm going to type here some keywords for my game. Scroll down. Now I'm going to upload here my game icon. You can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 website and you can click here to download game media package. I have already downloaded game media package. I'm going to upload here. You can click here. Now select this game icon. Click on open button. Guys, your game icon should be 512 into 512 pixels. Now click here. Select this second icon. Click on open button. This icon should be 114 into 114 pixels. Now I'm going to upload here screenshots of my game. You can click here. Now select screenshots of your game. Now click on open button. Now I'm going to upload your promotional image. You can click here. Now you can select any of this featured graphic image. Click on open button. Okay, after completing it, you can click on next button. Now I'm going to review these details of my game. After reviewing it, enable this option. Now you can rate your experience. Now you can click on submit app button. Yeah, here we go guys. As you can see here, my app has submitted successfully on Amazon App Store. It will take some time to make my app live on Amazon App Store. Guys, as you can see here, my game activity. I have not published my game on any App Store, but still I think admob ads is running on my game. Here you can see my earnings. And here you can see new users. Here you can see my app will go live before 4 January 2024. Guys, here you can see after 2 days I've got email from Amazon App Store. Click here to open this email. As you can see here, my game has published successfully on Amazon App Store. As you can see here, my game is live on Amazon App Store. Let me show you how you can find my game on Amazon App Store. Open Chrome browser and search here Amazon App Store. Now click here to open this first URL. Now you can type your Thinkers Challenge English Trivia Quiz. This is the title of my game. Click here to search this title. Guys, here you can see my game. You can click here to open this game. As you can see here, my game is live on Amazon App Store. And here you can see product details. And here you can see my name. You can also go on Amazon Developer Console and you can click here. Now you can click on my apps button. Guys, here you can see my game. My game is live on Amazon App Store. You can click here to see more details about this game. Click on App Status button. Here you can see App Status. My app is live on App Store. Now in next step, what you will have to do is, you can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 website and you can click here to open your game. Now click on monetization button. Scroll down. Guys, here you can see Amazon public key. I will have to upload here Amazon public key. Let me show you how you can upload here Amazon public key. You can go on Amazon Developer Console. Now click on Apps and Services button. Now click on My Apps button. Here you can see your app. You can click here to open this app. Now you can click on Upload Your App File button. Here you can see View Public Key option. You can click here. Here you can see Public Key. You can click here to download this public key. Now go on Quick App Ninja website and click on this button. Now select public key file, click on open button. Yeah, here we go. Here you can see I have uploaded Amazon public key successfully. Guys, this option will work to maximize your earnings. You can click here to disconnect Amazon. Amazon public key option will work for in-app purchases. Like you can sell coins on your app. And if your audience do not want to watch ads, then they will have to spend some money. You can receive in-app purchases money from App Store, and admob network will pay you for their advertisement. Guys, I request you to go on Amazon App Store and download my game, and also please give me 5-star ratings on this game. Guys, I have taught you real and trusted method to earn money. Please give me 5-star ratings on my game, and also please you can write some review on this game. You can get URL of this game in this video description box below. Here you can see after 4 days I've got email from admob. As you can see here, my game has been approved. Let me show you approval status on admob. Here you can see my earnings. Yesterday I have made $5.02. Click on apps. Now select your app. Click on app settings button. Here you can see approval status. My game is ready to show admob ads. I have published my game on Amazon App Store. Guys, you can also publish your game on Google Play Store, Oppo App Store, Samsung Galaxy App Store, Vivo App Store and MI App Store. I have published my game on Amazon App Store. If you want to learn how to make a game, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.